Digits on the beat.
Okay guys, so I'm filming on my Canon T7i. I have been working so hard on getting this lighting together. I have a light right here, right here, right here, right here. So if you guys like the way this is looking, please let me know in the bottom bar. And I also have a mic. Like, I'm trying to give y'all some good quality, some good content. I'm trying. And I look cute for y'all. Whew, this hair laid. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right there. Right there or right there. I don't know how this, I don't know. If you are not new to this channel, then thank you so much for coming back. Yes, yes, yes. So if you are wondering where these earrings are from, like I told you guys before, these earrings are from Heaven Jewels. That is where I get all my earrings. I will have the link below. I hope this mic is on. The lashes are eWigs collection. Have that link below as well. Check out those websites. I don't know where I got this top from, but it's cute and it's giving bad bitch vibes. It's giving, yeah, it's giving you looking good as fuck vibes. Anyway, so as you can see by the title of the video, this is going to be a hair review, hair unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, if you want to see this video, then make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, because I love to hear y'all, you know, feedback and stuff like that. So anyway, if you guys want to see this video, then just keep watching, and I will see you guys in my next one, okay? And I'm hoping and praying that Kennedi don't come in here and interrupt. She's in the living room watching TV. I had to bribe her, just like I had to bribe her every time I film. But yeah, let me go ahead and knock this out real quick. All right, guys, so we doing, I hope the light ain't messing up, we doing a review on Beauty Forever hair. Beauty Forever for Forever Beauty. This is what the packaging look like, in a nice little drawstring bag. I have not opened up this hair yet, so we're gonna open it up because I'm excited, because I've been kind of getting bored with my, if the lighting is changing, I apologize. I'm still trying to get my lighting together. Yeah, so I have not opened up this packaging yet. I just took out the packages and threw it on the floor because I know I wanted to film this video for you guys. But like I was going to say, I'm kind of getting bored with my wigs. You guys know I used to wear U-part wigs before I started wearing full wigs, which I still love my full wigs, but I don't know, I'm getting kind of bored with the bob. So I was thinking about, you know, wearing me a U-part wig. So I was sent this hair. I'm about to open it for you guys because I've never worn Beauty Forever hair. So I want to just, you know, see what they're talking about. So when I go in here, let's see here. I got this little bag, and it looks like they sent me, this is another little mesh bag. It looked like they sent me, ooh, they sent me some lashes. Not really my style. I mean, you know, I don't really wear long lashes. I do wear full lashes, but they don't be long like these. These looking a little too long for me. You know what I'm saying? But I can, you know, put them on my clients. But this is what the lashes look like right here. Yeah, that's a little too much. I don't really, you know, I don't really be doing all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? They sent me some hair clips, which I need. And they also sent me a scarf, a satin scarf. I think this is what this is. Let's open it up and see. Okay, I could put this for my edges. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. This is real cute. Okay, okay, I like it, you know. So yeah, they sent me over 3 bundles. That's all in the box. I mean, not the box, that's all in the 3 bundles. I don't even know the length they sent me. 3, this is the little thing. 3 body wave 24-inch. Okay, all right, comes in this little bag here. Y'all, it's cold as fuck in this house. Like this new house, I don't know, you know, our old house, we used to keep it on like 70. Hey, you wanna come say hey and then get back at? Kennedi gonna say hey, and then she gotta get out because I can't film videos with Kennedi in here. Say hey.
Hey.
Hey. Okay, go back in now. I'm almost done and we'll go outside, okay?
What are you doing?
I'm filming a video. I'll be done in just a second, okay, baby? Go ahead. My God, let me hurry up. Okay, so this is the first bundle. It comes in a package like this, Body Wave, 24-inch. Okay. Okay, and it comes in a little net. Y'all, I hope I wasn't being too rude to Kennedy because, I mean, I just really can't film with her. I don't know how people... Excuse me. I don't know how people film with their kids because I really can't. Kennedy is a little too much. Okay. We getting a little shedding. One, like short pieces, not like long pieces. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little pieces. Okay. No smell. Smells like hair. You know, weave gonna smell like weave. I don't know why people be tripping about hair smelling like damn hair. But this is what it looks like. And it's long bite. But let's see. Let me stand up real quick. Ooh, my mic. Don't snatch my mic off. Okay, it comes to like my boobs. That's long enough for me. Okay, okay. Okay, and it comes in that natural color that it comes in. But you guys know I'm gonna dye it jet black. So that's the first bundle. And then, I mean, they're pretty much the same freaking bundle. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what they done sent. And I'm like so surprised they sent me this hair because I usually don't get hair sent. I usually just buy it, but I don't know. You know, I thought you had a lot of subscribers to get hair sent. But they be like, you know, if you're gonna do a review on YouTube, we'll send you some hair. So I'm like, yeah, I mean, send me some hair. I'll do a review on an honest review. I ain't finna, you know. Okay, so this one didn't get any shedding. This one right here is soft. It feels good. And they are full bundles. Bad bitch. Ass fat. 40-inch install came in a pack. This is 3. The third one. 24-inch. Come on out of here. Come on out this thing. Ooh. I'm glad they sent these nets because I can use these nets. Okay, this is the third. Ugh. This is the third bundle. No shedding. Run my fingers through it. No shedding, boo-boo. Really pretty. Full to the ends. About full. I mean, you know, full as I'm gonna get. Is I like it. They full enough. You know, they full enough. And this is just what it looks like. I'm gonna dye it black. So yeah, this is some full hair. Let me do a thumbnail real quick. I like that. But yeah, it's getting a little shedding, but you can always expect some shedding out of hair as long as it's not coming out in clumps. I don't mind the shedding. I mean, all hair sheds. Human hair sheds on your head. So I don't know why people want to get hair that don't shed at all. But hey, I don't know. I'm not that difficult to please. But these are the wefts, which they look pretty good and full. And yeah, thank you so much, Beauty Forever, for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. It says 100% human hair, so that is good. I will link their website below. I'm gonna make a U-part wig on my sewing machine. I've never made a U-part wig on my sewing machine. I always used to sew it, but I'm gonna try to make it on my U-part wig because I want to wear me a U-part wig. I'm gonna try not to burn out my hair. If I start burning out my hair, then I'm just gonna have to go back to my wigs. And I've been loving my bob. Like, I look real cute with my bob, but I just been getting a little tired of it. Like, it's not giving. It's not giving at all. But this is a hair, and I love it so far. It looks really nice, really pretty. I definitely will come back and do a couple more reviews on it once I get it installed. Yeah, so I'm gonna put everything about the hair in the bottom bar. I'm so excited to get it installed. Like I said, I've never worn Beauty Forever hair. So yeah, thank you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I think this concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I will be back to do updates on the hair, and you guys, I'll probably do a couple styling videos on the hair. I probably do a video of me installing this U-part unit. I definitely would give it, out of a 1 to 10 rating, I would definitely give it like a 8.5. I mean, it's decent. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.